Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite crashing on a high-end PC. Let's fix it guys. In my case I have a i9 14 generation processor and GPU I have 5080, but this game still crash and I can't even play the game. I seen in Epic Games official site this frequent crashes in Fortnite on this CPU generations. As it mentioned, my CPU generation as well. This is high-end CPU has problem with DirectX 12. So you just need to follow these steps, guys. Just copy and paste this additional command line in Epic Games Launcher. To do this, open up Epic Games Launcher, click on the three dot icon and select Manage and select this launch options, turn it on and paste over here in launch option and just to close stuff here. And now again click on the three dot icon and select options. Make sure required file only need to be checked, other things you just need to uncheck it and select apply to changes. Now you can launch the game. It will be launched without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.